Hello, my friends. Have you tried this queso fundido, melted cheese with chorizo at a Mexican restaurant? Have you tried this one? Whoa, my goodness, you don't know what you're missing. So, I told you recently on another video that a Mexican friend sent me some Mexican products here, and I felt like a little baby opening that box. I mean, I was so excited. So, I'm gonna use two of those ingredients today for our queso fundido, which is this Oaxaca cheese. They also call it quesillo. This is very similar to a mozzarella cheese. They sell it like this, like in rolls like this. Look at that. This is Oaxaca cheese or quesillo, and I'm telling you, it's really, really, really good. And I'm also using the authentic Mexican chorizo, So I'm gonna make something with those two. That's gonna be the queso fundido or melted cheese, and you'll see how. I mean, you have to try this at a local restaurant or make it yourself. Just follow my video. Avocado oil on an iron skillet here, a little bit of avocado oil, and now the chorizo. We only need one here, so I'm gonna open it up, peel it off, take it out of the casing here, and I'm gonna cook the chorizo just like that. I'm gonna start breaking it apart. So make sure you break it apart because you want really, really small pieces, not the whole lump there. So you keep beating that thing. You break it apart. You want it like a kind of a ground beef texture at the end, but you have to cook it this way. So this is the authentic Mexican chorizo, a little spicy, but you'll love it. So I'm gonna give it like 3 minutes. I'm gonna give it like about 3 minutes there, and in pretty much medium-low heat, about 3 minutes. That should be enough. And then after 3 minutes, I'm gonna put some fresh onion, fresh jalapenos here, and fresh cilantro also goes in the mix. There you have. There you go. Beautiful chorizo with all these ingredients. If you don't like any of these ingredients, just leave it out. But this is how we do it. And I'm gonna give you two more secrets that nobody tells you. 2 secrets. So half a lime. The juice of half a lime goes in there. This is secret number 1. And then fresh beer. About half a cup of these beer. Any beer of your preference. Just about a quarter to half a cup. And then you keep frying these on the skillet. Just like that. And this is ready now for the cheese. You gotta be just like that, very runny. I'm gonna use this Mexican style shredded cheese just as a base. This has like 4 different cheese. This is my preference. And then I'm gonna use that Oaxaca cheese or quesillo. The whole roll is gonna go in there. Yeah, baby. Queso fundido, authentic Mexican queso fundido with chorizo. Yeah, baby, I'm gonna put a lid over this. Yeah, a little bit of water goes in there, lid, and that's gonna create that steam, and all that cheese gonna melt. Yep, there you go. This actually you want to do it in low heat. You don't want the cheese to stick to the bottom, so make sure your heat source is in low, and it's gonna take about 7 to 10 minutes. Yep, you have to be patient. 7 to 10 minutes because it has to melt slowly. You cannot burn it down to the iron skillet. So this is the consistency I was looking for. There you have it, queso fundido with chorizo. This is now ready for serving. Yep, queso fundido with chorizo, Oaxaca cheese or quesillo, queso fundido. And this is the presentation. You serve it with some fresh chips that you can dip in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Mexican chorizo on top as well, just for decoration. You can also sprinkle a little bit of fresh cilantro. But there you have it, queso fundido, authentic queso fundido with authentic Mexican chorizo. There you have it. I'll see you next time.